This road is well traveled and there's some potholes. We continually have the mailman flying down the street and the neighbor in the back. He and his wife, they drive relatively slow, but whenever they have visitors, they tend to dig up the road. So let's see what we can do with this box blade. Again, I am very inexperienced, but let's see what we can accomplish. This took a lot longer than it should have. If I had to do it again, I would have just fixed the areas that needed it instead of digging up the entire road. I chose to go this route because I didn't have enough material. So my thought process was if I dug it up, then I would have more material to spread out over the area. Here, my inexperience shows, but I did enjoy it working with the box blade. Let's speed it up a bit.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
again. It's a rich thing.
If you like this video, please check out the channel where you'll find more videos like these where we tackle different projects around the farm. I'm still working on getting my driveway perfectly crowned. For those of you who have been blading for years, do you prefer a hydraulic top link or are you a set it and forget it manual person? Let me know your setup in the comments. It doesn't look too bad. There are some low spots, but this is my first time doing it. And no doubt, the more I do it, the better I'll become. I do think we need additional material, but this is good for now. Bye.